Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be replacing the belt on my YTH22V46 Husqvarna, whatever you want to call it, mower. A couple ways to tell, that your belt is bad is first, if you're driving and it starts squealing or it smokes, like you see smoking coming from like around or under the tractor but above the deck, usually it's just the belt slipping, and it's probably time to get a new belt. Something cool about these mowers is that if you hit something, it usually stretches the belt before it damages anything and the mower just shuts off. Another way to tell is if you turn on your blades and your deck starts vibrating violently and just shuts off the mower, typically your belt is stretched and it's time to replace it. So there's a little guard on each side. It has 2 bolts. You literally just gotta take those 2 off, take the guard off, and you don't really need to take anything else off. Something good to do is to release the, don't have your blades on, because the belt's gonna be tight on there. This one stretched so bad it just pulled off. You can see where it just tore the belt, but it's really easy. Also, there's a little routing diagram right here on top. If not, you can look it up online. I don't know if you can see that right here, or you can just look it up online. But these things are super easy to change. Just follow that belt diagram or whatever you find online, and it literally takes like 10-15 minutes to do. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started. First, I'm gonna remove these 2 bolts. And I'm actually just bringing you in for a closer view. Just 3/8 bolts. So as you can see, this belt was just torn. You can remove these if you want. If not, you don't have to. These actually bend a little, give a little bit away, and you can kind of just wedge the belt in and out of there. I'll show you right now, actually. If you turn the pulley, it actually helps. So like I said, you don't really have to take these off. You can if you want. Also, if you get underneath here and you see the blades vibrating or like shaking really hard, you might just have a bad spindle. But this is just the belt. I hit a rock, and like I said, the belt stretches. Before anything damages. Belt's pretty fucked up. You can tell it stretched really bad. It broke. I hit a rock and now it caused that. So the first thing I do when I replace these is just make sure they're inside the guides. There's 2 little guide brackets up there. And then literally just follow this diagram that's right here. I'll show it to you in a minute, and I'll show you the entire belt routing. But I actually really like this mower, and I like how the belt stretches instead of actually damaging the spindles. So again, if you put these in here and just wedge them and then turn this wheel, they'll just pop right on. And the guides will keep everything aligned. And literally just do the exact same thing to both sides. then you just want to double check it all, make sure everything is in place. You can actually spin these. They should spin fairly freely without wobbling. And then before you turn it on, just pull that lever and make sure everything's real tight. Should be good then. And before you put these back on, just turn it on, make sure that actually fixed the issue, which I think this is gonna fix the issue. But that's all it takes to change the belts on these things. It's actually really easy. Anyways, as always, like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. I'll link this belt in the description. Anyways, I'm gonna take it for a spin. I'm out.